Good evening, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project, Magnetic Reversal News in Shinrin-yoku. Breaking news Saturday, May 22nd. A volcano in eastern Congo erupts, triggering panic in nearby Goma. None other than Mount Nyiragongo volcano in eastern Congo. Now, the last time this volcano erupted in 2002, it killed 250 people in Goma, is listed as VEI1, and this eruption, I can assure you, is much bigger. According to the Volcanic Ash Advisory coming out just moments ago, the eruption had sent ash to 45,000 feet. Explosive activity continuing. Toulouse warned of volcanic ash that rose to 45,000 feet altitude, flight level 450, and is moving at 20 knots to the southwest. Aviation color code is red, and we do have amazing breaking video. Take a look. Just massive lava flows there. This is massive amounts of lava. Hundreds of times more lava that has already erupted in Iceland.
Crazy. It's crazy. They're all going to the this is the route that goes to the Rwanda border, Gisenyi. Unaona watu na mabe.
If you're just joining us, Mount Nyiragongo has erupted.
Ni moto mingi sana kabisa inatokea kule kilima ya volcano. Mpasa hii Goma ni panike kabisa, hakuna mwanashua kani nini. Mimi ni moto mingi kabisa. Hakuna
Wow.
Voilà, volcan. Volcan, voilà.
Oh, just spectacular. Take a look at that. And so, in case you're just joining us, we have a major eruption in the Congo. Mount Nyiragongo volcano in eastern Congo erupts. And we'll just walk you through a little bit of the history here at Nyiragongo, the eruptive history. The last eruption back in 2002 was confirmed at VEI2. According to historical observations, the loss of hundreds of lives. Another VEI1 prior to that, kicking off the volcanic explosive complex. But if you go back into history here, this is not a typical dangerous volcano until recently, until 2002. And now we see this huge explosion to at least VEI2, VEI3, 45,000 feet. And look at some of the video coming out here at the end. Take a look at this. This is just a spectacular eruption and an amazing amount of lava. Take a look at that. So just a fantastic eruption. I wanted to bring you heads up there. Nyiragongo volcano exploding to 45,000 feet. Two videos which I'm sharing with you, which you can check out. Take a look at some of this. Amazing. Sign of the times predicted that there would be a volcanic uptick, and we're watching it one after the other happening across the earth. Nyiragongo exploding to historic levels, maybe the largest eruption in recorded history at Nyiragongo, happening just moments ago. Hope you got something out of the video. That's a boom to knowledge. Proper prior planning prevents piss poor performance. When volcanoes, they's be exploding. Be safe. Share this with like-minded people, and we'll catch you on the flip side. No.